Hi, thank you for considering doing the electric slide for the parody music video I'm making. If you wanted to dance to the music I sent you, what you would do is play it on your computer or a different device. So here it is, electric slide, or get on WebEx queued up. And what I'm gonna do is actually set my phone and flip to the selfie camera to film while it's playing, so you'll hear it. Okay, and then it would be great if we could see your feet, right, and your face. So adjust. Good enough. I'm assuming you're doing this by yourself. If you're not, maybe somebody nice will do it for you, like your husband.
So, we start with 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then same thing to the left, 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then take 4 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do a little step, touch to the front, smack, and back. If you got that much, we add the step kick. The foot that's in front steps, the foot that's in back kicks. Now we're on a new side. This dance repeats over and over again. It's a line dance, so we're gonna start this way.
That's it, that's all you have to record. Hanaho, one more time. I can't hear you. Get on that. Sorry. Ooh, it's working. Get on that. Check it out and starting, we are doing this and starting, we are trying to stay connected. We're in this together. That's all we need. And then what I'll do is I'll put everyone's together in different parts. So that's one full set. Thank you.